friends, we're now going to continue multiplying. Today we're using a 100 chart, and what we're going to be doing with that 100 chart is skip counting. So skip counting is a big part of multiplication. It helps us learn our what they call times tables. So today we're going to be skip counting by threes. And you will see the directions say skip count by threes, use the bingo chips over there to cover the boxes. So you're using these bingo chips over on the side. And what I did was I had to skip count by three. So I counted to three over and over and over and put the chip. So I did 1, 2, 3, put a chip. 1, 2, 3, put a chip. The next number starts to one. So that's 1, 2, 3, put a chip, and so on. Okay. And I went all the way up to 33. And I just wanted to show you I'm going to do one more. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, and I'll put that last chip there. Now I decided to stop at 36. You don't have to do the whole 100 chart. And the reason I did is we're going to write down the skip count numbers and we have to go to 36. So we can just stop there. We don't have to do the whole chart. Okay, so look at what they're asking you to skip count up to and then just stop at that number. Okay, so once I did that, I had to describe the pattern that you see. So I'm looking at it, what do I see? Well, you know what I noticed? I noticed these diagonal patterns here. And then when I looked a little closer at them, I noticed that the ones place were going down by one. It went 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. So that's what I wrote there. I wrote, I see a diagonal pattern and the ones places are going down by ones. And then I had to actually complete the skip counting. So I start with 3. That was my first number. Then I type 6 because that was my second number that had the bingo chip, right? So I'm skip counting by 3. It goes 3, 6, 9, right? That's the next one. And I kept going, and now I can figure out what comes after 21. I just look up at my chart. Oh, it's 24. And then type that number in there. And you'll do that all the way up to 36. Then it said, how can we use skip counting to solve 5 times 3? So what that means is we're just skip counting by 3 5 times. So all you have to do is we already did the part where we figured out the three numbers, right? So I want to do 5 threes. So I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer would be 15. So 5 times 3, if I skip count 5 times 3, I get 15. So I just wrote 5 times 3 equals 15, and I skip count it by 3 5 times. So if I had 4 times 3, I could just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer would be 12. Or I could also do it here. What's 4 times 3? Just count over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer would be 12. So that's how we use skip counting to solve multiplication problems. So you're going to go ahead and do the next 2 slides the exact same way. And if you need any help, just reach out and I can help you out. Okay? All right. Have fun with your multiplication.